how to get Roblox account back without email. So if you can't log into your Roblox account, here's what you want to do. Go to the login page and change /login to /support. Press enter. And here, make sure you type your email address. So type your email address and then type it again here to confirm it. This is very important because Roblox will contact you here. Now, what device are you having the problem on? Choose the device which you use to play. You can do PC, iPhone, iPad, whichever device you use. I'm going to do iPhone. Type of help category, account hacked or can't log in. Choose this option, the first one. And then help subcategory type, you will choose forgot password. Now you want to explain that you don't have access to your email, but you will need to provide other information such as your billing address if you have set one, or your username, password if you remember them. So what you're gonna say is I can't log into my account with my email as I have forgotten it. I have other information to provide and verify ownership of my Roblox account. And you're gonna click on continue here, and then this might connect you to an AI agent or a real person, and you will just explain the issue that you don't have access to your email account, but you have access to other information which can verify ownership of the account, and then you will just talk to them and hopefully they will be able to restore your account. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.